Good morning, my dear friends. We are happy to share our weekly research papers being published on each Monday. These papers are relevant for your current understanding against Indo-USA FATCA. It's relevant for individuals and non-individuals both living in India and USA. Through our 11 points like Indo-USA FATCA is non-tax treaty. India and USA have signed several non-tax treaties for disclosure their foreign assets located outside USA. Other treaties are like Foreign Pension Fund, Passive Income. Indo-USA tax treaties are impacting tax laws in India and also in USA. 100% USA tax residents are required to report in USA for their 100% global assets to USA's IRS. USA's tax residents are to include certain individuals like citizens, legal permanent residents, other qualified persons for substantial present tax purpose. USA's tax residents are required to report certain things to IRS like their 100% global assets, 100% global bank accounts, 100% global incomes. These all information are required to report to IRS through FinCEN like USA's FBAR and FATCA in Form 8938. Certain individual reporting entities are also required to report USA's IRS like foreign financial institution working in India, foreign banks working in India, certain private banks working in India like ICICI, HDFC, Axis Bank and many more. Indian banks and foreign banks both located in India are required to collect certain information on regular basis through sending letters to their customers located in India for knowing certain things like tax resident assets in India, tax residence bank account in India, their citizenship status, their residential status in India. Now IRS is aggressively handling these matters like foreign accounts compliances, foreign accounts non-compliances for persons not located in USA. Also to impose financial penalties and exercising imprisonment provisions as applicable in USA. FATCA and international tax penalties may be reduced or even waived through announcing USA's offshore tax amnesty scheme, which were declared in past and also expected to announce in future. USA's IRS is permitted to take annual report from Indian banks and foreign banks both are working in India, like maximum outstanding balance in their account during year ending on December 31st, list of public banks located in India to report to IRS are like Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, Union Bank and many more. Our research papers are being published under our special program known as Darshan Mala for knowing about several acts active in India like Prevention of Corruption Act, PMLA, RBI, FEMA, UFIA, BTA and many more. Several enforcement agencies are working in India like ED, DRI, CBI, NIA, SFIO, DGITCI, DGGI and many more. Several regulatory authorities are working in India like IFSCA, RBI, SEBI, NCB, RAW, EOW, IB, CBC, NCLT, FIU and many more. You may click following link for viewing our brief profile, where 95 research papers are available, like 2 books, 3 newsletters, 90 articles for your kind reading, plus also reverting back to us. Thank you.